Now we talk about the JIRA boards. So the screen you see after I created the project, this is the JIRA board. You see, this is the key created by the JIRA, my project. This is my project page, and this is the board. This is chosen. This is my board. So on board, what is there? There is a columns of different steps, or you can say stages. The task or the issues which are need to be done will be in to-do column. The task which are already team is working will be in progress. The task which are completed or done will be under done. If you wish or need to introduce some more column who are involving, like I'm giving here review by client, or just a QA. Just want to introduce the QA here, right? So one more column will be added before done. We can drag and drop. You see? So my board has now 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. First, whatever the task I need to create will be in to-do state by default, need to be done, in progress, then QA, then done. So what is JIRA board? So in JIRA board displays a selection of issues in columns, with each column representing a step in your team's workflow. So basically steps. So what is the workflow? First it will be to do, then it will be work in progress, then it will be QA, then there will be done. This is my workflow, right? And in this workflow, all these columns are known as steps. This is my first step, second step, third step, fourth step. For taking work through completion, a board accompanies each JIRA project by default and provides the team with a shared view of all work that has not started, work that is in progress, and work that is completed. So all this board will be, suppose that 5 members are working on a project. So all will able to see that what are the tasks which need to be done, what are the tasks in progress, what are in the QA stage, and what are the completed. All 5 team members able to see this board. We'll see how the users will be added, how team will be added for the project, but just have some understanding of what is JIRA board. So guys, any question on JIRA board?
No.
Okay, great. So this is one screenshot I've already shown to you, but here the screen is filled with some task, right? So we'll also create task or issues and see it will be filled. And this board can be, right now it's a, what type of board? Can anybody tell me? This is Kanban or Scrum board?
Scrum.
Yeah, because this there is a
Scrum board.
I have chosen the Scrum template, right? Now let me create one more project here and let it be Kanban. Team managed. My first Kanban project. Just giving so that I should know that what type of project this is, right? I'm not going to link. It's asking because my account is linked with GitHub, so ignore this right now. You see the difference between board of this board and this board. Any difference?
There's
In
no
the plan,
backlog for Scrum.
in the
Yeah.
I
planning,
mean, for Kanban, yeah.
planning tabs.
Yes. Backlog. You see backlog in the Scrum. Backlog. Get started in backlog in while I choose in the Scrum. But if I choose in the Kanban, no backlog, no that sign, right? So be very careful according to the team style for working. We have to choose in the project template accordingly. Either it will be confusing how to use that. Sometimes happen that the project is created by someone without understanding of what template can be used, and team keep rolling inside that, keep using that template without the need of those complexity, right? If there is no any agile or scrum needed, why should I go with that? I should use the Kanban. Simple, right? So I've also we talked about the what is Scrum and Kanban. So it's a ideology of a Scrum is learn through experience, and this is visual to better understand capacity and improve work in progress. And it's a regular fixed length sprints. It's continuous flow. So I think guys, you know what is the meaning of this fixed length sprints. Generally, 2 to 3 weeks. But here not like that. According to task, according to our milestone, we can decide. Here is backlog sprint. Here is not something like that. Here is work in progress. Columns will be there only, right? So I think we are very much clear about Scrum and Kanban, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So